Yes.
Yes, good afternoon. In fact, I have the problem is related to the import clearance only. This is taking a lot of time for collecting the sample
I thought
and
this
getting
was
the.
being on ingredients.
Normally we know that you get almost 3 days of leverage free days to get it clear. But here it says we get the samples collected very late and the testing takes a lot of time. So we are bound to pay a lot of money for that. So if there is a solution.
Dr. Gua, you are on the firing line
He's
now.
ready with the answer. He's ready.
I know he is.
The moment the question was not, he was ready to answer.
He was only waiting for this question.
Yeah.
Would you please mention when you upload the application? Because I know the importers, Ulcers importers or other importers, we are waiting for sampling before real arrival of the ship. When they generate IGM, immediately, रात को 12 बजे, our net is very much open. Now it is 24/7. Morning I see applications. 10 बजे हमारे आदमी, my man scrutinized and accepted. I can give you examples. My data manager is there. Next 7 days he has not recognized the application because really ship has not reached. So you have enough opportunity to upload your application before reaching your consignments. So collecting samples, I don't know, maybe due to for clarifications. Clarification said so many applications are pending, and most of the times, most of the application goes for clarifications. Those who are not meeting the regulations, they are trying to make. I know last week I have rejected one applications when he is using MSG in certain category. We have returned back the application that it is not meeting. Immediately he changed his induce. So traders are very smart. They know what is regulations and how to match it up. So changing the end use is not allowed. So they don't try to be.
Then what happens is sample is not drawn or inspection doesn't take place because the importer has not confirmed the appointment. That also happens.
Also I am confirming you. In scrutiny stage it may miss. In sampling stage it may miss. Laboratory report comes. If I see there is discrepancy, I will hold the consignment.
That's all acceptable, sir. The point is, again, I was telling our clearing agent says,
you bring the data, I will check it out.
Sure.
You bring the data.
Thank you.
I will check it out.
But let me also add to what he said was in the new import regulations, we are also bringing the concept of pre-arrival
Yes.
documentation to be assessed so that, even before your consignment has arrived, everything has been done. The documentation is complete.
The list of documents that you submit to the FSI, whatever the list of documents required for evaluation, once it is submitted, a query is raised sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Fine.
So again, we need to submit this query, this catalog or whatever is there, it should be submitted.
Online,
Again,
yes.
we need to.
Yes, you have to.
So instead of that, can it be possible for FSI to do the similar thing? We will also submit the catalog or whatever the query is there. That will be sorted out along with the inspection itself. Can it be?
एक यूनिफॉर्म सिस्टम इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं, उसी को चलने देना चाहिए. फिर this leads to different kinds of things.
Sir, we want to keep
Let all documentation come online. Please
Yes,
upload
yes.
the brochure online. आपको आने की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
We want to keep all the document in server because anybody can go to court, anybody can put RTI. So by that time
You have to have record.
give that document to the public. Most of the time people does not like to put up labels. Last week I have noted one that very intelligently one label was fixed on the other level. My man has cut off.
Okay. Sir, I'm not talking about, we have submitted all the documents, whatever is prepared in the website. Despite of that, if FSI
There is a request for another document. Please upload it.
Yeah.
Upload it on the
So that time the inspector doesn't come. After uploading only it comes. So maybe the FSI can.
No, let's follow
Uploading.
the system. Uploading doesn't take too much time. You upload it and we will have it immediately.
Another thing is that sometimes the officer doesn't come with the labels for taking the this thing out.
He doesn't come with the labels. Why should he come with the labels?
They don't come. then they.
Why should you go with the labels?
Not at all.
We stuck on the sample.
Sample level they don't come, then they get it rejected.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं
Draw
होता.
the sample.
Dr. Gua, if that is the example, then please investigate.
No. Actually, what happens, by 11 o'clock, we have a cut-up time. But so many times, request comes, 11 past, so many importer requests, sir, you draw the sample today. So we telephoned him in the field that you draw the sample and after coming back, you will put up that label. On your request, if you tell, then I will make the cut-off time become strict. Then you will be affected. Then you will be affected.